What is up, Team Dueling Rogue? This is Adrian. So we're gonna be doing a new video today. Well, obviously we haven't been posting videos lately or over the past few days, but we'll see with this. We're doing a Pokemon card opening today. So I got 2 Celestial Storms, and I got the Pokemon League Shiny Zygarde-GX Box. I was looking for the Latios and the Latios box, but I couldn't find it. So yeah. Anyways, let's start this. So we are gonna go first with Pokemon Celestial Storm. See what we get today, boys. Let me open both of them. So this one's Blaziken. And the other is Jirachi. So we are gonna see. Let's see what we got today, boys. We got the card. I'm not going to do this because I don't know how to do the whole thing. I know it's probably like 4 cards or so, but we'll see right here. So we got a Spinarak, Torchic, a Slakoth, that booty though, a Shuppet, a Trico. We got a Reverse Hollow Life Herb. Not bad. A Registeel, an Energy, Water Energy, a Huntail, a Minun, and a Copycat. So our best card that we pulled right now out of this set was a Life Herb. Okay. So put that over here. Now we're going to open up the one Blaziken inside of it. Sorry about that. I can at least open this. I bought these packs at GameStop, by the way. There's a card. So we got Meditite, or Meditite, whatever. A Chinchou, a Goldblum, Cacnea, Torchic, a Reverse Hollow Pelipper. We got a Grumpig. I think this is a Psychic Energy. We got the Fisherman supporter, Super Scoop Up, and a Masquerain. So the cards that we pulled were a Piplup and a Life Herb. Alright. So let me put this away real quick. Okay. So now we're gonna open up this bad boy. Let me. Alright. I don't know how I'm gonna open it, to be honest. Okay, there you go. This was like $15. Was it 15? 20 actually. At GameStop. I'm gonna plan to get a Pokemon mat soon, probably. It's when I have the time. So let's rip this open. So this carries, I don't know what kind of packs we got today, because I know I see one of them sending me an Ultra Prism, one of them to be Forbidden Light. And then Zygarde-GX. Let's throw that away. We got the Mega card, which is awesome. And we got card over here, the actual card. So we got the Shiny Zygarde-GX. Let's get a closer look at that. So what does he do? So 1 vibration, and Cell Storm, heal 30 damage from this Pokemon. Liberten GX, your opponent reveals their hand. This attack does 120 damage for each energy card you find there. Nice, it's not a bad card. So put that over there. And then we got our super card. Not bad card. Really good. I like it. And then we got our 4 packs. So we got Forbidden Light, XY Breakthrough. We got our other card, and then XY Steam Siege, and then Sun and Moon Ultra Prism. So what I want to do first is I want to go Steam Siege, then we're going to go Breakthrough, and we're going to go Ultra Prism, and then we're going to go Forbidden Light. So let's go Steam Siege first, only because I like gold. So we'll see what we get, guys. I know this set is old, but worth it. Worth the pull if it like that. That took a while, so it's that hard. So we got the Mantine, Sneasel, Hoppip, Fletchling, Claunchor. We got a Reverse Hollow Lampit, and nice! We got the Gardevoir EX. I know this card is not like viable anymore because of post rotation, but still a good looking card for people who like the Gardevoir. And then we got a Nidorino, a Steelix Spirit Link, and a Rapidash. Okay, that's really good. So let me put the good cards that we pulled here. Not pulled, but we got. And then we're going to go with XY Breakthrough now. Hopefully this one opens up better than I thought. Yeah. So there's that card. So we got Staryu, Cyndaquil, Panpour, Froakie, Bronzor, a Reverse Hollow Heavy Ball, and we got a Reverse Hollow Raikou, a Staravia, Professor's Letter, and a Spoopa. Not bad. Really good cards. These cards are good, especially because we pulled Legendary. That's really good. And I've never heard of Heavy Ball. Search your deck for a Pokemon with a retreat cost of 3 or more, reveal it, and put it into your hand. Nice. Nice. Now we're going to go with Ultra Prism. So, let me get these open. Okay. I know you can play these because of the rotation. So we got a Yanma, Execute, a Salandite, a Piplup, a Morelul, I think that's how you say it, a Reverse Hollow Bunary, I guess that's how you say it, Frost Rotom, we got our Fighting Energy, a Magneton, a Lily, and a Floatzel. So, Bunary, not bad, good card, a waifu card. I guess that's how they say it. Now we're going to open up our last pack, Forbidden Light, okay? Bear with me, guys. Hopefully we pull something good. We already pulled an EX, but sadly we can't use EX. Not only in expanded, I guess. But everyone plays whatever, so can't really judge what people play. I like to play other stuff there, not like that. Let's see what this is. So we got a Pancham. I think that's how you say it. Pancham. A Skiddo. A Noibat. Inkay. A Fennekin. We got a Floor. What is this called? Florges. A Reverse Hollow. And this is interesting. I think we got a rare Steel Empoleon. It's funny. We got a Steel Energy. We have an Ultra Recon Squad supporter. And then we got a Heliusk and another Spoopa. Not bad of cards today. So today we pulled an Empoleon Steel type. We pulled a Florges right here, Bunary, a Heavy Ball, a Raikou, a Pelipperper or something, Life Herb, a Lampet, I guess, and then the Gardevoir EX and the Zygarde-GX. So, alright, guys, comment, like, and subscribe, and tell us what you think about the video, and then we'll see you guys later.